Children, now let us write number name 7 in our maths class workbook. Which is this number? 7. So its number name is 7. What is the spelling? S-E-V-E-N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Do the tracing. We will do between the blue lines. S E V E N 7. C curve, reverse C curve S. Slanting line in a C curve, that is E. Slanting down, reverse slanting line V. Again E. Standing line, go up, make a turn and come down straight, that is N. S-E-V-E-N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Again, this is without tracing. S-E-V-E-N. Children, you will write this number name by speaking the spelling with writing. S-E-V-E-N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Children, this is how you will complete the whole page. Remember that while writing the number name, you will speak the spelling.